Hi, so my name is Shazim Manjur. Below are links to 10 videos I use as references, and I'm here to explain my methods on what I learned in watching these videos. This is basically experimental psych, and what I learned was I learned the methods, and when doing experiments on people, we would have to depend on what kind of research it is that we would want to use, what measurements we would work with and control. So I learned that controlled environments can help untangle cause and effect and avoid any alternative view on anything else. The experimental method would also isolate the theoretical values, and it would also manipulate the effects and show the outcome that one is trying to demonstrate. The field interviewing in the field, or even just like experimentation in the field, like maybe active students running. We can like maybe test them on like activity, like let's say activity, and there's other runners that run, and we can test them on heart rate. So like maybe smokers running versus non-smokers running to see who has a lot longer lung capacity or whatever. That could be considered as field testing. So what I learned in that's another method that is very hard to code for those. And the experimental method is a little bit easier because it's done in the laboratory. You're able to control and manipulate better, and measurements are more clear. But the field experiments, they're basically designed to match the participants to normal everyday activity. With that, there's different variables and different locations that we use to record the data. And so there are also other ways that we can use, other methods that we can use to portray our results. One is to interview and survey participants, and with that, we can manipulate the variables and measurements in certain ways. In case studies, we look at a case and try to use it to find another phenomena. So to make sure our research goes well, we also need to find which methodology will work best with the question being asked. Here's some tips that might help with the upcoming question that you might have. Some tips from videos that I had gathered is to be open to the person by suspending all expectations and not to assume anything, just by reading or listening, but to find out and analyze the data that they are presenting to you. The idea of research is to unlock the unconscious mind to see what they reveal, and so that's basically it. So when it comes to research, all we really need to do is try to listen to everything, understand everything. And I also put a link below on John Hopkins. He shows how his results actually untangled, and what he did to make sure that he got the best results possible. So yeah, check it out. Thank you for listening to my brief introduction on methodologies of experimentations. Thank you.